Good morning, everyone. Now, continue with our topic. My next session is a connect with the world using internet and its applications. This is also part of a basic ICT skill, but this part is based on the internet and their application and how it does work. Now, we discuss with these topics in detail. First topic is the what is internet means internet, and then discuss the different applications of internet. It is a network of network. I know everyone know the definition. Before in earlier classes also we discuss again and again a same definition. It is a network of networks. It is an interconnection between several thousands of computers of different type of belonging of to various network all over the world. Again I repeat this definition. It is a network of networks. It is an interconnection between several thousands computers of different type of belonging to the various network all over the world. Means the different network like LAN to LAN, LAN to WAN, WAN to MAN, they are all are connected, or thousands or billions of computers are interconnected to share or communicate informations. Now next part, the applications of the different application we are using. The some different terms we are using. One different terms are, one is the WW, this is a different term, World Wide Web Protocol, and then HTTP, URL. Now discuss with the all points in detail. WW stands for World Wide Web, is a network of worldwide web computers. Worldwide computers, and these type of worldwide computers, that is the one library of all type of website resides in this network. It's like a library to resides kinds of different kinds of sites, websites. Okay. Now next is the protocol. It is a rule of it is a set of rules followed by the computer while communicating or transferring data on internet. Is a set of rules. These are a set of rules. According to these rules, while the communicating or transferring data through via internet, means each and every computer have their IP address, internet protocol address, and then with how the data come in and how the data goes out to different network, different computer, by with the help of some rules followed by the rules to communicate with each other. This is called a protocol. Rules are called the protocol. And then HTTP, this is also one term we use in internet. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is also a set of rules. Protocol define the rules to be followed while transferring the information. It ensures better protection against the data theft. Means this is a one type of a rule to at the time of communication between the server to the client machine, and then it will be a protect some according to the some certain rules against the data will be theft, to be ensure better protection provided by the HTTP transfer protocol. According to these rules, data to be transfer one server to the client machine via some rules to be against protection, don't to be theft your secure data to be, it will be secure your personal data or important data with the help of a HTTP transfer protocol. Now next is the URL. Everyone know URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Each web page has a unique address. Everyone know कि every website is the one IP one address, like www meritpublicschool.com. This is a website name, and above this website we are using http and then semicolon and then 2 slash, and after that we write down the website name. That is the called a unique address. Web page has a unique address which identify its location on the network. Each and every web page in the website have their own unique address. Each web page on the internet have their unique address, that which have identified its location on the network, means on the network where it is located. According to that, server fetch that web page and then send to the client server with the help of these rules via secure data with the help of http. That's why each and every website or a web page write down the http and then colon and slash. Okay, now these are the basic terms we are using internet on internet, that is work at a backbones. But we know about these terms: world wide web, and then protocol some rules, and then it ensures that the some according to these rules data to be transferred with the security, with the protection. URL is the web page address, unique address. According to that we identify, that is the identify the location or that page on the network. And then now the different type of application that we discuss in this part, different application of internet. And but I again another question I make this is the discuss various application of internet. Each and everyone know what are the main application, but what are you doing on internet? Email, we send the data, we send mail, electronic mail with the help of internet, send and receive mail with this is the one application we are using. And then chatting also using via the WhatsApp, and then social networking means communicate with each other, and sometime you are using video conferencing via the help of internet. And then social networking also via with the help of a blog, Twitter and Facebook, WhatsApp. These are the different social networking applications we are using to communicate with the other persons. E-learning also is a one application with the help of we have to be a read or a study via e-learning. And then e-shopping also, all are aware e-shopping, and each and every one application please read out in detail from your book. E-reservation, e-banking, these are the different application use of internet. But there are the little bit, but we are using too much work or use application with the help of internet. Okay, now come to the next point I discuss with you, that is what is the web browser. Now next term we'll discuss what is a web browser. Web browser, in simple way I just tell you कि when you are using any type of internet file that will not fetch or work on your simple application or a program, like not work on a Word, not work on a spreadsheet, not work on a Paint, that is a work on the web browser. Web browser means, or internet browser is a one program that is used to view the websites, means it is an interface. It is an interface means it is a window that provide to view internet